Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly set up environment for the edX MITx course, Understanding the World Through Data. In the edX platform, you can just click on the course, and when you scroll down under Introduction and Goals, click on Set Up Your Environment. Now it gives you step-by-step process of how exactly to set up the environment. This is going to be in Google Colab, so you would have to have access to Google account before you can do this. So let's follow all these steps and make sure we have the required files in our Google Drive, which I have already opened here. The first step is click on this link of the course file and you will download a zip file. Once it is downloaded, you can unzip your file in the location of your choosing under the same name AIMOOC. So to do that, you can just right click and extract all. And then I will just extract on the same download folder. So nothing to change here, and click extract and it will unzip all the files. So this is a zip file and this is the unzipped folder extracted from the zip file. Now the third step is to go to your Google Drive, My Drive folder, which I already have open here. You can just do drive.google.com and navigate to My Drive folder inside Google Drive. Once in this page, step number 4 is choose new and upload a folder. So select folder upload and navigate to the unzipped folder, so which is in my download. This is the file folder, unzipped file. Select this and click upload. And it will ask you you want to upload 61 files to this site. Select upload and it will start uploading the files. It might take some while, so I will catch you in a minute. Okay, upload complete, and you will see the green check mark there and the folder here. Now in your Google Drive you will find this folder. Inside you should be able to see another folder called modules. Inside modules, you will see all 4 modules required for this course. Within each of these folders, you will see files we will use throughout this course. So this one is for module 1. You can go back to the modules and select whichever module you want to go, and you can see the files here. The IPYNB are Google Colab Notebook, and the data files are inside this in .csv format. And the capstone files required for capstone project are in the capstone folder within each module. So that's the folder structure. Make sure you have this exact folder structure, otherwise the code will not find the data files. Okay, in a different video I will also show you how to open each of these files, how to access the CSV file, the notebook files, and how to access the data files by running cells within Colab notebook files. So stay tuned for those videos.